Kristina Raspe is one of the nation's leading women in real estate and development. She approaches her work with an understanding of community interests, and her commitment to social justice and equity infuses all that she does. As Vice President for Global Real Estate and Facilities for Apple, she manages the company's renewable energy program, ensuring that Apple continues to power all of its facilities with 100% renewable energy. She has global responsibility for real estate and development operations, in addition to managing the company's global environment, health and safety program, recycling, and community services. Prior to joining Apple in 2013, Raspe served as USC's Vice President for Real Estate Development and Asset Management, where she played a critical role in the planning and development of USC's University Village, the largest economic development in South Los Angeles history. She also oversaw the master leasing of the Los Angeles Memorial Coliseum and former sports arena site, and the master planning process for both the University Park and Health Sciences campuses. Kristina Raspe, improving the quality of life for people and their communities through responsible real estate development and management.